Hello and welcome to the concept discussion video of NEWA. In this video, we are going to discuss the science and technological development in Indian history. So in the first part of the video, we discussed about ancient India. In this video, we are going to discuss the developments in medieval India. So this is a proper mains answer for you in GS3 paper, Science and Technology. This video also has facts and information about personalities that is going to help you for your prelims as well. Now let's move into the video. We have information under 5 domains. We are planning to explain all of them in its context. Now the instrument that you see here, it's called Yantraja instrument. Now you may read it as Yantra Raja. Yantra means machine and you can read it as Yantra Raja. The idea is same because it is called as the king of machines. Now this is the machine that is used in astronomy. It was invented by a person called Mahendra Suri. He has in fact written a book by the same name, Yandra Raja. So what it does is, it will align things, celestial objects, in the same pattern as it is in the sky. And then the distance is measured and such calculations are made. Now one cannot say that this is very accurate. This is an invention in the medieval times, but still it was a development in the field of astronomy. So this is one proper value addition and point that you can write when it comes to developments in the medieval India in the field of astronomy. Yantra Raja instrument by Mahendra Suri. Second, you can give the name of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. This is one person who has contributed a lot to astronomy in the medieval period. He has come up with 5 observatories in 5 different regions of India, including Delhi. Then one in his city, Jaipur, which was found by the Maharaja himself. What you see here is the Jantar Mantar in Delhi. This is also credited to Savai Jai Singh. So at least write about the 5 observatories with the name, or you write the name of Jantar Mantar. Second, developments in the field of biology. Now you have a text called Mriga Pakshi Shastra. Mriga means animal, Pakshi means bird. It's written by a person called Hamsadeva. Now this book deals with animals, birds and their hunting mechanics. So the characteristics of animals and birds is mentioned, which primarily deals with biology. That's why we categorize it in the developments in biology. So Hamsadeva and Mriga Pakshi Shastra. Then we also have information about breeding and hybridization from Tusuki Jahangiri. Tusuki Jahangiri is the treatise or the chronicle of King Jahangir. So breeding and hybridization, because of that, we'll consider this as a biology text as well from the medieval times. Moving into the domain of mathematics, here it is a little factual. You have 3 big names. One is Narayana Pandit, who has written Ganida Kaumudi and Bija Ganida Vamsha. Second, you have Gangadhara and his famous text Leelavadi Karma Deepika. This is very famous, Leelavadi Karma Deepika and Suddhanta Deepika. So at least remember Leelavadi Karma Deepika and Gangadhara. He is from Gujarat. Next up, Faizi. Faizi is someone who was in the court of Akbar. So Faizi has in fact translated Bhaskara's Bija Ganit. So this is testimony to the interest in mathematics in the kingdom. So several texts were translated from Sanskrit to Persian, and Bija Ganita is one of the texts. And it was done by Faizi. So you can give that as well. Now chemistry. You have developments in the following ways. First, let's start with Aini Akbari, because we stopped with Mughals in the previous slide. Here you have Aini Akbari discussing about Akbar's perfumes, the chemical compositions of it. Then you have Nagarjuna's Rasa Ratnagara. Then Siddha Yoga by Vrinda and Chakra Datta by Chakrapani Datta. So all these are factual here. At least remember one of it. This one obviously you can remember. From these 3, either remember one of it and make it as a point. For prelims, you have to remember the facts. Siddha Yoga by Vrinda, Chakradatta by Chakrapani Datta. So the names can be connected here. Chakradatta by Chakrapani Datta and Nagarjuna's Rasa Ratnagara. Now in the field of medicine. This is conceptual here. What you see here is Unani medicine. Unani is a medicinal system that is a combination of Persian and Arabic elements. So this flourished in India during the medieval times. So Unani Tip medical system, you can give that. It is part of Ayush now, Ayush ministry, along with Ayurveda. Now this is considered as pseudoscientific in the modern terms, but you can say that a branch of medicine flourished in India during this time. Next up, you have Ali bin Ramban's Firdosu Hikamat. Now, what this text did was to combine the Greek and Indian medical knowledge, which is Ayurveda and other such systems. So, this name is also important, Firdosu Hikamat. So, these are the 5 sectors in which we have development. So, comparatively, compared to ancient India, development in medieval India is comparatively less. But still, if it's a single answer about developments in India's past, you can combine all of them together and give 10 to 11 points. If it's a single answer, you can give these 5 specific sectors. So remember the major points like Unani, Savai Jai Singh, and remember the facts for extra value addition. That's it. Thank you for listening.